board.
Correct.
Including the leadership, what they get to meet so that you achieve a common goal.
Yes.
Then Ngakyoko was selective.
I'm not selective.
To handle.
I'm not selective. And the agenda on which you call me onto the table. If you are calling me on the agenda, you will discuss Obomogoito at the way forward. I'm glad to come. But using the guys now, again, don't get that. Again, the does not require a meeting. And secondly, I made the decision to support Fred Matiangi consciously. I listened to my people. A direction I am doing it very consciously. Any doubt about the decisions we've made. I'm not doubting it. No. So, what I'm in Chutoko committee, like tone down, Osukar and Matiangi or Kolega. No, that one I'm not going to do. Everybody getting a setting services. Services, member services. It's good. Jokoni. I was an animal captain at Alliance High School. I'll do a great job. Jen Ziba, next time I'll complain about the job. I'll ensure everything very nutritious. Yeah, so I'm not worried about which committee president.
Gisairo, one of the issue representation yao emereme chorere no kuwakilisha abantu wakitoto masaba no kuwakilisha part of it nechi committee.
Yes.
So doesn't it tetiko usumbwe birenga maybe your representation role never is a just in case changes it get called and to affect
the way parliamentary structure. There are many ways of representing people. Nobody is worried about roads in your constituency without being in the roads committee, right? A committee about 15 members, Bunge about 342 members. So are you telling me, while in the education committee, are not championing the interest you want to have in the roads committee? Are you saying what did I champion in the energy committee? A committee, you gave only 15 members. So we cannot say, ne committee, nero, a channel you will champion. No. We champion through plenary. You see, all of us have a chance to speak, and a chance to be heard, and a chance to be answered.
It is more effective when it starts at the committee level.
So, Oyotari Education Committee, 342 minus 15. How are they championing for their constituencies on matters of education? I'm asking you.